Alright, tayo dadama na sa ating awarding ceremony dito sa Barangay Little Baguio. The 2024-2025 season ng ating Sangguniang Kabataan Basketball League. Today is August 16 ba? 16 na yun, no? 17. 17, no? 17, 17.
Oras na. Nagtagang pa mo. 9:46.
To start our awarding ceremony, may we call on our barangay officials to come forward.
Uy, ako ko yung trophy ah.
Anong kulay mo ba? White? White ka rin ba? White? Ah? Gray? Pangilan ba yun? Ah, bakit? Eh, yun ah. Hindi, ano ba? 16, 17? 17 ah.
Ay, yung ano? 70.
Date po ito ang 8-17 ah.
We would like to thank everyone, all the participants, all the supporters, and for all the people who made this project possible. Ito po isa ng mga pinakamalaking project na ginawakan mula sa Sangguniang Kabataan together with the Barangay Sports Committee of the Barangay Council po. And sa totoo lang po talaga, no, parang dami pong hinarap na challenges at challenges po itong project na to given na antala po siya from nung simula nang ibain yung ating unang court. But nandito na po tayo ngayon sa ating bagong court with the help of Mayor Paco Zamora, Afonso Zamora, and Sangguniang Pangkasod. We were able to push through our SK League po, no? And ngayon nandito na po tayo sa awarding ceremony. We'd like to thank everyone again na nandito kayo. And congratulations po to all the participants for playing, for pushing through, for persevering sa ating mga laro, and eventually sa ating mga winners po, for really showing sportsmanship, really good games po, and really entertain po ang ating mga kabarangay. So, again po, maraming papasalamat po kami. On behalf of Pilipinan po, malaki po papasalamat ang masarap po na naging support sa proyekto ito. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Hey!
A few words lang po from one of the really pillars po ng ating project noon sa ating SK Kagawad, Jemboy Maravilla. A few words lang.
Yung idol ah.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Dahil lang kami pinag-iisip tayo, susukan ang aming pahinga. Pag-ibagaling, kasi sa rayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Yeah! Thank you, Dogs.
We will now begin our awarding ceremony.
To start our awarding ceremony, on Casino Division, Medical 5.
Awarding recognition of outstanding performance and dedication as the Medical 5
Narsoles. Congrats! Ayan!
Next, nabigay dyan. Uy! Ang cute, ang cute, ang cute.
And congratulations sa ating Mythical 5 sa mini division. Hey.
Proceeding for the season's most valuable player from my team, Mexico Darius Juan.
Whoa! Ping Ping! Torre Palma. And the finals MVP. Sino? Si Torre Palma pa rin pala. Si Jairus. Or kilala bilang Ping Ping. Congratulations. And shoutout kay Jason. Yay! Congratulations, Ping Ping.
Jairus de la Cruz, Arby Hernandez, Shanday Palinares,
Alright, tayo dadako naman sa ating midget division. Jai. Congrats sa ating Mythical 5 sa mini or midget division. Thumbs up. Congrats sa mga idol. Hey! Hello! Kumusta? And the seasons. Our season MVP De La Cruz.
Marami yung MVP dito.
Congratulations, our season MVP.
and the finals most valuable player for Vision Division, may we call on again Joaquin de la Cruz from Team Quezon.
Oy, Joaquin De La Cruz, our finals MVP. Grabe. Si ate ka, napaka-proud siguro rin talaga nito. We miss you, Ate Cathy De La Cruz. Ang kanilang nanay. And syempre, ang kanyang tatay, syempre, napaka-proud din eh. The De La Cruz brothers.
Proceeding for Junior Division Individual Award.
Congratulations.
May we call on Mr. Ross and then
Okay. Nadawa naman tayo para sa Juniors Division. Mendez. Para sa ating Mythical 5.
Justine Lawrence Ortega.
Ortega.
Luis Reyes. Juan Luis Reyes. Mr. J. Orozco. Jeremiah Jones Orozco. At the victory marker of 5 Navy Gordon John Lam Lopez.
Nakatuway si ano, si Jarvis. Ay, maniwala sa akin.
1K? 1K?
Hindi, dalawa.
Hindi, 1K sa season sa kanan. Ayos.
Kita ko nila.
Grabe, sa mga bata ni Coach Whoop yan. Coach Whoop, shout out!
Thank you sa support tayo sa inyo. Thank you rin kay John Paulo, Florida.
Thank you, Whoop.
Lagi
Ang ating Commissioner. Oy, Kairi, kusta? Ito ang ating Mythical 5 sa ating Juniors Division. Congratulations! Okay, tayo naman, dadako sa season's MVP.
Jersey number 23, Marius Perez.
Oh, that is Perez. Hey,
Darius, kaway!
you know, hey, Jairus. Hey, shout out.
Hakot Award.
Grabe, Hakot Award.
Finals MVP sa season.
You know.
Hoy, pa-soft drinks ka naman.
Thank you. Ayan, ating season MVP sa juniors.
For the finals,
Si SK Kagawad.
Lady Gordon John Mark de la Cruz.
Oh! Our finals MVP, John Mark or JM De La Cruz. Ayun o, idol. Sa ating juniors division. Congratulations, JM. $17 ngayon, no, bro?
Oo.
17.
Receiving from Seniors Division Individual Awards.
Basta. Ano team mo? Hindi ka na nakita.
Ngayon?
Oh, congrats ah. Oh, ano team mo?
Pagdating ko lang, nakita ko lang yung
Ano team mo? Ano team mo? Ano team mo? Congrats, congrats. Alright, tayo dadawa na sa ating Seniors Division, Mythical 5. Congratulations, Idol.
Mr. Jeff Chodoro.
Uy!
Anyone who will receive for Jeff Chodoro?
Jeng Jeng Chodoro. Ayan, si Coach. Dan Leslie, ang aking
Javier
classmate.
Avila.
And Avila as well. As
Receiving our medical fight, giving out Mr. Andre Imperial from Team XS.
Congratulations sa ating mga Mythical 5 sa Seniors Division.
For the season's most valuable
At eto na,
Seniors Division,
Seniors.
Mr. Ceres Bunye.
Oh, Ceres Bunye, our season final, season MVP. Classmate yan. Ceres Bunye. Congrats guys. Our season MVP, Ceres Bunye. Siyempre, kasama ang kanyang may bahay. Congrats. Okay, congratulations, Ceres Bunye, our season MVP. At meron pa isa, finals. Sino yung finals? Oh,
We're now proceeding for team awarding. For the Mosquito Division, second placer, Lady Carlos, Team Orange.
Team Orange sa ating Mosquito.
For Mosquito Division, second placer for wrestling, Team 2024.
Congrats guys. That's in fourth place.
For the first runner-up for Mosquito Division, Lady Carlos, Team Navy Blue.
Team Navy Blue. Ito na sila. Uy. Ayan, congratulations sa third place. Team Navy Blue. Team yan nila Yosh, nila Meme. Congratulations, Team Navy Blue or
For
Royal
the
Blue.
champion team for Mosquito Division, Lady Carlos, Team White.
At the champion, the Team White sa ating Mosquito or a mini division. Yay!
Balik po tayo ng jersey.
We are the champion, my friend.
Proceeding to Music Division,
Wala pa si Gab.
Bro, ano yun? Ano sila tanggal sila third ano? Sayang nga, hindi rin sila inahabol yun.
And the champion sa ating midget division. Congrats, idol. Grabe ang lakas niya. Kasi na. Champion.
Proceeding to Juniors Division, third placer Amy Connor, Team RMC PSC.
Ating juniors division naman.
To the first runner-up of Juniors Division, Amy Connor, Team DBTK. Ever defeated champion team for Juniors Division, Amy Connor, Team Caloocan.
Hey, the Team Colocos! Ayan na, champion! The Orange Team! Para sa ating Juniors Division. Sayang hindi ko naabot ang game nyo. Ayan o, the Team Colocos.
Thumbs up. Proceeding to our last division of STD Classic Cup, Amy Connor, the third placer for this season. Team
Okay, tayo dadawa na tayo sa Seniors Division. Ang team ni classmate Dan Leslie. Grabe, hawat ang hord. Si Coach Dan Leslie.
Third first runner-up for Seniors Division, Amy Connor, Team Access.
second place ang Team XS kanina. Congrats po.
Last but not least, the winning and champion team Mercedes Division.
At ito na, ang champion. Congrats, idol. Ang champion natin ng Team Choi. Idol, sus lang idol. 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 Yeah. Sabot ko rin. Sige. Sorry. Thank you po. Thank you. Alright, congratulations sa ating 2024 to 2025 Seniors Division ng Barangay Little Baguio Basketball League. The team Choi, headed by the team head coach, Coach John Hapos. And that's a wrap. Congrats to everyone. Thank you rin sa ating mga barangay council and SK Council of Barangay Little Baguio for this wonderful event. Magkita-kita po tayo sa ating next live. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Congratulations! Natin ang last speech. Yeah! Hey! And that's a wrap. Alright, thank you rin po. Ay, kaya, baka shoutout ka, kuya. Busy. Hey! Napaka-success ng event ng kanilang council ang Barangay Little Baguio. Sa muli po. Shoutout pa rin, Coach. Pero dito, shoutout natin. Mars, shout ang Reds Coach, Sir Hamas.
And thank you. Congratulations to the SK of Little Baguio for all success.
Ayan.
Abangan niyo yung Barangay Little Baguio this coming Nurse Cup.
Ayan, abangan niyo po sila sa ang Barangay
Follow.
Little Baguio.
Follow niyo yung kanyang page.
Maraming salamat. Aba, may gusto sabihin sa ating mga council. Barangay SK Council.
Yung Little Baguio Council. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. Congratulations to all the winners. And salamat sa mga sumuporta sa team.
Thank you, thank you. Thanks, brother.
Cut mo yung ano eh.